Belly buttons. Unborn babies all look like girls. Girls have XX chromosomes. Chromosomes is how to say chromosomes. The baby got an X chromosome from the mother's egg and an X chromosome from the dad's sperm. All her cells will have XX sex chromosomes and will develop into a girl. The first cell of a baby produced when the sperm enters the egg is called a zygote. Zygote is how to say zygote. Zygote, zygote, yes. You say tomato, I say tomato. Whoa, fell over. Sorry about that. Earthquake problem. Here we go. Carry on. I think we've got a stability problem. Is that better? The sperm is the male sex cell called the male sex gamete. Gamete is how to say gamete. The egg is the female sex cell called the female gamete. I always wondered whether females didn't like to have male in their female word. Anyway, maybe some of them. Everybody's gonna be like, there's always something that people don't like. The sperm gamete has 23 chromosomes from the father's DNA. The egg gamete has 23 chromosomes from the mother's DNA. Yeah, the DNA is inside the chromosomes. The female gamete has 23 chromosomes with carrying. I think with and carrying is better than from. What do you think? My comments down below. The female gamete egg is the largest cell in the human body. The egg cell is a ball shape called a sphere. The egg cell is the size of a decimal point. Dot. That size. You can actually see it with your eyes. The female gamete egg cell is called microscopic because you need a microscope to see the spherical nucleus in the center of the cell. The zygote copies all the chromosomes in its nucleus. The zygote splits into two cells, making sure that the two cells have the same set of 46 chromosomes. Chromosomes. One cell splitting in half to become two identical cells is called mitosis or mitosis. Yeah, again, pronunciation even. Mitosis. Oh, didn't underline chromosomes. Anyone else I didn't underline? Zygote. Anyone else I didn't underline? Gamete. Oh, so much to do. Chromosomes. Mitosis. Mitosis. Egg splitting makes skin cells grow to heal a cut. Yeah, if you've got a cut, the skin will grow over and make it look like new again. It will grow over the cut by mitosis. Mitosis cell splitting makes you grow. Now the new baby girl has 2 cells. They are stem cells. Stem cells can produce any of the 300 different types of cell needed to make a human body. Each stem cell does mitosis again and again using the mother's food, which comes to the baby's belly button through the umbilical cord. Oh, that's the cord the doctor cuts, or the midwife cuts when you're born. Is that still okay? Oh, I've got earthquake problems. Umbilical. The umbilical cord, oh, that's an I, cord is cut at birth and tied in a knot. Some people get in belly buttons, some people get out belly buttons. Write in the comments which one you got, so I can do a survey. Who's got innies, who's got outies? Mostly people get innies, I think. An adult human has 50 trillion cells produced by mitosis splitting. Each cell has a nucleus. Full stop, I think. New sentence. Each cell has a nucleus sphere in the center with the same 46 chromosomes in 23 pairs. 23 copies of the chromosomes that come from the dads, 1 successful sperm gamete, and 23 copies of the chromosomes that came from the mum's egg gamete. Red blood cells don't have enough space for a nucleus. Oh yes, so all of the 50 trillion cells have got the 46 chromosomes, apart from the most common cell, the red blood cell, and of course, maybe the most important one, the gametes, the sperm and the egg. They have half of the 46. Red blood cells don't have enough space for a nucleus, so the red blood cells have 0 chromosomes. Normal cells have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Gametes have 23 chromosomes. 1 is randomly picked from each of the 23 pairs. Yes, that's why humans all look different. They've all got different DNA. Yeah, the policeman can get samples of blood or other cells, skin cells, the cells from the inside of your mouth, and they can find out who was there, because everyone's got different DNA, because 23 pairs at random, that's enough for everyone to be identified. Sperms, gametes, and egg gametes are made by meiosis. Sperm gametes and egg gametes. I think we don't need the S there. I'll ask my wife to make sure of that, my editor. Meiosis. Meiosis and mitosis. Meiosis is making the sperms and the eggs. The difference between meiosis, making gamete sex cells, and mitosis for growth and repair is remembered as mitosis for making it bigger or healing it. Yes, making you bigger and healing you. Mitosis. Meiosis is for making the gametes that make the babies that look like me. I think that should go there. And that needs a colon like that. XY chromosomes make a baby boy. Yes! XX sex chromosomes make a girl. The sperm gamete fertilizes the egg gamete. To produce the baby's first cell, called a zygote. Exactly the same sort of stuff happens with pollen. The pollen is the sperm that flowers use. All animals, plants, funguses, not bacteria, they all do this same stuff. Different numbers of chromosomes. It's 46 for humans. Things like wheat have got 60. Why has the stuff we make bread got 60? Much more chromosomes than we have. We don't know yet. Stem cells can produce any of the 300 different types of cell in a human. The zygote grows and splits by mitosis until it has made 2 trillion cells in a human. Uh, 2 trillion. Just checking. Was it 2 trillion we said earlier? Human cells have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Yes, in the nuclei. Except red blood cells that don't have enough room for any, and the gametes that have 23 single chromosomes. Yes. Chromosomes are large molecules made of the organism's DNA. Mitosis is for making it bigger and healing it. Mitosis makes cells with 23 pairs of chromosomes. Need one more letter there. Meiosis. Oh, with an I. Is for making the gametes that make the babies that look like me. Meiosis makes gamete cells with 23 single chromosomes. Food and oxygen from the mother diffuses into the baby's blood in the placenta, then down the umbilical cord to the baby's belly button. Cool! Press like, press subscribe, press my circular picture to get more of my videos. Bye!